Did you know that 57% of your body is made up of microorganisms? So in many ways, you are more bacteria than human. Collectively, these microorganisms make up what is known as the microbiome. A good amount of this is in the gut, and this is known as the gut microbiome. Since the microbiome is such a huge part of you, it is important to understand the effects it has on your overall health and how it is linked to different diseases. Many research studies indicate a connection between microbiome health and other aspects of your health, such as depression, diabetes, and digestive functions. This connection is not fully understood, but it's known to be there. The microbiome is important to understand because in this way, we learn more about ourselves and how we function. Because the gut microbiome is localized in the human intestinal tract, it often becomes really difficult to study it in the environment of the human body. This is where organs on a chip come in. In essence, organs on a chip are exactly what they sound like. They serve as isolated and extracted models of organs. While they don't quite look like an organ, they function and model like an organ at the microscale. Once effective organs on a chip are designed, their potentials are many. While mice are a staple in biological research, the ethics of animal studies is still largely debated. Organs on a chip offer the possibility of running biological studies without having to use animal models. Organs on a chip, therefore, offer a cheaper and quicker method of testing the effects of drugs and other biological innovations in the human body. Perhaps more importantly, however, organs on a chip allow for control and personalization, offering a strong tool that hasn't existed in the field before. So why choose to do our research on a gut on a chip? Up to 90% of all diseases can be traced in some way back to the gut and health of the microbiome. Knowing how crucial the microbiome is to our health, gut microbiome on a chip allows us to look and study the system in good detail. The gut on a chip also lets us separate the subsystem from the entire person, which allows for greater research flexibility and allows us to study the isolated organ without needing a full human. In theory, this model is even closer to human physiology than an animal model. The gut microbiome on a chip is therefore an ideal way to develop health improvement methods and hopefully advance more in the study of diseases related to the gut microbiome.